Here's a shelving unit to be installed in compact van like Ford Transit Connect, Nissan NV 200 or Chevy City Express and stuff like that. Yeah, now we're gonna move forward and show you all installation process. So what we need basic tools, just regular drill with drill bit. That's about 3/8 drill bit. Impact driver, just to screw down this hex bolt. Those you have here in a box in your hardware box, and just a regular marker and a wrench 9/16 to hold the tool. You see the same thing you have in your package, just to make a basic tool like that. Okay, let's fix the shelf now. Now we moving shelving unit inside the van. So now you see it's positioned inside the van, not fixed yet. So it's sitting exactly where it's supposed to be, and now we're gonna go and mark it. Okay, shelving unit underneath, you see 1, 2, 3 holes. Let's make just one hole. I mark it with a marker right here, and the same I do on the other side right here. Okay, so now we mark where it's supposed to be bolt on. So here's the thing, we already marked at the mounting points. So you take drill bit and stopper, not to make too big hole. Just drill it like that. Okay, then we're gonna use the tool that I told you before. We put it like that, we put it inside the hole. Like that. Reverse. Anchors inside. Now the same with the other one. Now we make another hole and we put anchor inside. Okay, so just to put the bolt after, we put shelving unit. Be careful, this place you've got a gas tank underneath, so just again use drill bit with stopper, not to drill more than one each inside. Okay, now we're putting this shelving unit back and just bolt on, match the hole and bolt on this shelving unit.
3.
Now we put both anchors and just put bolt over here and another bolt on the other side. Just screw it down now with impact driver, just like that. And the other side goes the same way. Done. So bottom absolutely fixed and your shelving unit mostly fixed. Now we're gonna go and fix the top of the shelving unit with specific brackets. Okay, let's attach brackets now. Here's a top bracket, consists of 2 pieces, and I just attach the same one right here on the top at the back. So you have factory hole over here that you can use actually to fix it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the same drill bit just to make it bigger. Usually good enough, but just to make it a little bit bigger. And now we using the same tool right here. Put it inside. So we're using the same tool with the same anchor right here in this hole, and impact driver. Now you still have this tool, and you still can use it for another one. You see, reverse, put another one, new one. And in this case, so we got these fixed, and yeah, just bolt it on like that. Just like that. Okay, now fix it with the back driver. That's this one and this one, and one more over here just in case. Done. So top is fixed. Now we're gonna use the same bracket to fix this side. So the same bracket we just put in a hole over here, whatever closest. If there is no hole, you can drill closer or further, whatever, just to make it fit, right here. So we're not gonna use this hole, it's not good. So we just drill another one over here. Now hole here, exactly the same thing. Very simple. Goes right there into the hole. Impact. Reverse. Just to make another one. You can use as many times as you want. All the same tools all the time. You see, very quick, easy. Now fixing this the same way. So your shelving unit fixed. Now top and bottom, safe and secure. 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting points. Nothing damaged, but you're still safe and everything goes nice.